And the SP2 is dealing with the strategic human data. And the first thing that comes to my mind with regard to the last period in terms of highlight is the big brain 2, because there was already one big brain, but even if the big brain is at the center, at the core of the activities in the HBP, we need a couple of them just to have an idea of the variability. Without a good understanding of the variability, you cannot do a model. Another very important event, I think, is that they managed now to realize PLI data about the connectivity of the brain at a micron resolution, which means that you can just see the axons in the cortical mantle, which is incredible, opening all kinds of new things. With regard to neurospin, I've seen something great happening now. Finally, we are hiring what I call the cosmonaut of the HBP. It's people that will come again and again in the scanner, and during 5 years, they will just enjoy all the experiments that have been designed across the world in all the labs doing cognitive neuroscience, and we will aggregate all that stuff to do maps of the functional organization of the brain. Other incredible data are coming from France too. It's data about electrodes recording what's happening in the brain of patients that will have epilepsy surgery and some surgery. This is data that have never been reachable before because, of course, it's invasive. You cannot just do that in the context of surgery. And finally, maybe even more important is that now there's really some connection between all these labs in the SP2. We see softwares navigating from one lab to another one, pieces of brains going from one scanner to another scanner, so that we can compare different modalities to do maps at different scales of the brain. And this is really great because I think without the HBP we would never have been in touch like that before, and trying really to aggregate all our knowledge and all our data to build what will become the Human Brain Atlas.